time you log on, don't forget, so like when you plug it in, do that. Make sure you go online, tools, and then download the map off the ECU, and it shoots it to here.
I didn't know that. Okay.
Yeah, I forgot. And okay, so now you got the multiplexer, disable. Boom. And then
cool.
This is how you do it. Once you do whatever change you just made, go to online, upload it to your ECU. Cool. That's it. Now we gonna go live.
Are we gonna check to see if there's any error codes? Okay.
So there's an error code.
There's that error code.
Multiplexer for engine swaps, disable and miss parameters. I just disabled it. Let me see if I can refresh it. Just disabled it. Right? You saw me disable it?
Yep.
Okay. Disabled. It's gonna miss. That's all. Alright, let's try to start it.
Well, first time firing it up. Okay. The check light came on, Chris.
Yeah.
No exhaust, so it's gonna be
It's
gassy.
It's saying secondary O2 circuit heater circuit malfunction, but I disabled all that shit. See? Disabled all this.
Is it the wrong O2 sensor maybe that I have on there? All right, guys. Chris came down and helped me. He was looking at the HON data and realized that we had an O2 problem. And I told him the O2 that I was using came out of my stock GSR. And we did some research and found out that that O2 is not going to work. So here, wanted to say thank you, Nick, for this O2 sensor off a 2002 RSX Type S. This is the primary O2, and so I'm just going to go ahead and replace this and see if this solves the problem. This is the stock GSR B series O2 sensor, the primary O2, and this is the RSX O2 sensor, and this is what we're going to replace it with. All right, guys, here is an update. I know this project's taking long, and it's taking long because I am still waiting for my parts from K24, and they're giving me a hard time right now, so I may just have to go buy some different parts to complete my swap. So I'm gonna show you guys where I'm at so far.